Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dott app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. It is a bike and scooter sharing app that allows users to rent eco-friendly e-bikes and e-scooters for short trips around the city. The app features an interactive map to locate nearby vehicles, real-time availability updates, and simple QR code scanning for unlocking rides. It also provides clear pricing information, safe riding tips, and in-app navigation to guide you to your destination. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Dott for its clean interface, accurate vehicle tracking, and well-maintained fleet. The app's payment process is straightforward, and the ride experience is generally smooth. Its focus on sustainable urban transport and responsible parking zones also earns positive feedback from environmentally conscious riders. Still, there are some downsides. Ride availability can be limited in certain areas, especially during peak hours. Some users have reported occasional GPS inaccuracies or difficulty ending a ride if parked slightly outside designated zones. Pricing, while competitive, can still add up for frequent use compared to other transport options. Additionally, the service is only available in select cities, which limits its accessibility. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Dott app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, eco-friendly, and app-driven way to navigate urban areas. It excels in usability, fleet quality, and sustainability focus. However, limited city coverage, occasional technical issues, and variable availability might make it less ideal for some riders. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.